Okay, today we're working on 4-5. Write and solve equations with rational numbers. Okay, so we're doing an example. A 6-foot piece of fruit snack is cut into 2 pieces. What is the length of the shorter piece of fruit snack? Okay, so here's our diagram. We're gonna act like we cut it right there. Okay, so we always want to start with a bar diagram. So we know our total is 6. And so going back to our diagram, we know what we know. Part of it is 3 3/4 feet. Okay. So what we don't know is the other. Okay. So we're going to label that X. Okay. So we're going to go on to our equation. We know the piece that we know what length is plus some unknown number is 6 foot. Okay. So as I've shown you before, we have to get X by itself to figure out what X is. Okay. So we know this right here is a positive 3 3/4. So we're going to subtract 3 3/4 from both sides. Okay. Those are opposites. Okay. Now, what we have to do here is something that's kind of a review a little bit. We have to find a common denominator on this right here, okay? So we know it's going to be, fourths are going to be our denominators. Okay, and this is going to be 5 4/4. Bring our 3 3/4 over. Okay. So we know that just subtracting is going to be 1/4 and 2 1/4 foot is going to be the missing part. Okay. All right. So we're going to have variations of this in the lesson. So make sure you kind of go back and preview this. This is in the book. So if you need a reference or if you need to use the video, okay. So a 6-foot piece of fruit snack is cut into 2 pieces. What is the length of the shorter piece? Okay. So we decided that it's 2 1/4, right? 2 1/4 is 2 1/4 feet is our answer. Okay. Make sure you understand this. If you don't, please ask questions.